Man overboard!
And we've got a little bit of power. Let's go to reverse. Go ahead and pull that back. Okay. Now think about where we're going. See what's happening. It's right there. Yeah, that's I see the coil you made. So, take this clutch off. Wait until I get it into the wind, and then we'll At this point we are sailing. Halyard line and throw it down in the, so we're not stepping on it. Throw it down in the cockpit, in the cabin. So keep coming. Just come. Gotta put another wrap on it. It's not going to be able to do it. See, when the wind gets hard. The thing to do is we're going to go down the lake a little bit like they are, so we have kind of running room out there. And so in order to do that, I'm going to get over here a little ways. We're going to go to a broad reach, but what I want to do is turn away from the wind, but end up so the wind doesn't catch this over. So it's a kind of like a tack. I want the wind on the other side of this. Let's tack it and come all the way around to a beam reach.
Okay. Prepare to tack. You're gonna tack into it.
Yeah. All you gotta do is trim. Bring that in a lot.
Tacking a broad reach, ready to tack?
Ready to tack.
Tacking.
Book says 7 to 10 links. Who knows how to do that? But you know you're going to have to make this big circle and go down. It's almost better to go a little farther because it gives you more room to move. But too far, you can't see them anymore. I can still see them right now, but I think this might be a good spot, right around in here somewhere. Right on all the way around. Go about that way. Be a real easy day to heat too, wouldn't it? Just that it'll stop on its own with no matter what you do. do that. Those are all islands down there. Have you been out here very much on other boats, or?
No, not at all. I haven't been on any boat on Lake Lanier.
Okay, but there's several islands right over there. There's two of them right where that sailboat is, and that you can go behind and anchor, and there's plenty of room. Take the red line right there. Right up in front of it. Kind of flop all over the place. So if I can, slow down. Put it, bring it in idle. Yep. Ships now.
You guys done for the day?
Yep.
Ooh, it's hot.
Is it? Crap.
All right. Here, I'll get you these lines. Get all set up.
Yep.
They're all different, so they all sound different. Be easier with that pole.
Yeah.
But yeah, this it's overheated a couple times in the last couple months, and it literally melts the exhaust, and the water pours in, and smoke starts pouring out.
Shit,
I got it.
Plug the electric in when you get a chance.
Here, you can hand me that too. I can hand that over to Chris.
One time, like,
at any rate, I don't think it's hurt anything. He's just going to put a new impeller in it. It's a rubber propeller.
Like a rubber, yeah.
Yeah. Luckily, it's all folded up now.